Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, which of the following fraction is smallest? Whether 8 by 5, 8 by 9, 3 by 4 or 5 by 7. Given fractions are 8 by 5, 8 by 9, 3 by 4, 5 by 7. Now this 8 by 5 means 1.6. 8 by 9 is 0.8888. 3 by 4 means 0.75 and 5 by 7 is 0.7142. So among all this, smallest fraction is 0.7142, that is 5 by 7. Hence, smallest fraction is 5 by 7. That is, our correct option is option D.